Creating a footer in WordPress using Elementor involves a few simple steps. Here's how to do it. Install and activate Elementor. First, make sure that Elementor is installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you don't have Elementor, go to the plugins section in the WordPress dashboard, search for Elementor, install and activate it. Create a footer template. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor, Templates, Theme Builder. Click on Add New, select footer as the template type, and click Create Template. You can either start from a blank footer or choose a pre-designed footer template. Design your footer. Using Elementor's drag and drop editor, add elements to your footer such as text, add a copyright notice or contact details, social icons, add links to your social media profiles, navigation menus, create footer menus for easy access to site pages, images or logos, insert company logos or promotional banners. You can also adjust the footer's design settings like background color, padding and typography. Publish and display. Once you're happy with the footer, click Publish. In the display conditions, choose entire site to make the footer appear on all pages.